Hi there everyone. Today I'm gonna talk a little about this grill grate. It's handcrafted by Trevor at the TJM Metalworks in the UK and made of stainless steel. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how it works and test if it's as good as it looks like and as I'm hoping for. So hang on and see you in a sec. Welcome back. Yeah, as I mentioned, I'm gonna talk a little about this grill grate that I just received from TJM Metalworks in the UK. It's handcrafted by Trevor. He's a blacksmith over there, and his company is just him and his family. But let's have a look at it and see how it works. It consists of 3 parts. This is the main part, of course, the grill grate, and then you have the two legs or stands, and that's it. So when you disassemble it, it's actually very easy to bring on a tour or put in your backpack or something like that. It's not that heavy. I'm not sure what the weight is, but I would say maybe a kilo. Maybe a little less, I'm not sure. But packed together, it's completely flat, and yeah, actually when I tried to pack it in my backpack, I put this one in the front pocket of the backpack, and these two actually outside in the mullet system. So very easy to bring on tour. But yeah, let's try it out. Assembling is actually very easy. You have the 2 hooks, as you can see here, at the end of each side, and these hooks fits into the legs or the stand right here. So what you actually do is just to put this one in here and turn it around, and same thing at the other end. So this is it. It's very easy, and when we put it on the ground, this one will actually be fixed right here. So you can see it won't collapse. Now, of course, when you're using a grill grate like this one, the height is limited. So because when I use my large campfire stand here, I can adjust the height a lot. Of course, I can't do the same with the grill here, but you can adjust it a little bit. Think about maybe like from this height, so you can see it. So if the legs are completely vertical, this is the max height of it. I would say it's about maybe 20-22 centimeters. And then you can lower it to, I guess, about 15 centimeters. So that's it. But of course, because of this neat system, you can use the grate without the legs, of course. So if you're camping somewhere where you have built a fireplace with stones, for example, you can use the grill grate directly on your fireplace. So that's an even easier way to use this one. Anyways, I do also have my large iron stove, and I'm a little excited to see if it can fit that one too. And this is a heavy one. I think this is about 10 kilo, 20 pounds. So the legs just sunk I think maybe a centimeter into the ground, but then it's actually steady again. So this is a very large iron stove, and it actually fits. So there's a lot of use cases for this grill grate, I think. But if you have any questions about it or any comments about it, you're welcome to drop me a comment. But then that's it. That's the grill grate from TJM Metalworks, stainless steel. And I have to remember to say that I'm not sponsored by them. This is my own purchase. I only buy stuff I'm gonna use myself, and I only test and review stuff because I want to share my honest opinion, so you hopefully can use it for something. And if you can, and if you like my videos, please consider to like and share and subscribe if you haven't done that already. But that's it for now. Have a nice one out there in the nature. Bye.